Hi everybody, it's Henry from H.A.S Farms. I'm here today to replace the water line or coolant line or lubricant line for my HM122 Sawmill. Basically I had pinched it. I took away the safety bolt that stopped it from going too high because I had a log that was too big. And since haven't put the bolt back in, so it causes damage to the sawmill. I pinched the line, so I went to the local PV Mart and I picked up more line. So basically at the top here, it's just one of those shark bite fittings that you have to push in, hold it in, and then you can pull out the line. This is probably too much, but basically to put it back in, I just slide it back on. Here, I just pull that line off. Very simple. I will shorten this up later. I don't really need all this length, I guess. And then slide this over the top. And it's a little cold today, so it's just a little bit harder to work with. But for those of you guys that are wondering, it's a 5/16 outside diameter, 3/16 inside diameter vinyl tubing. And I might need to warm this up with my heat gun in order to get that on there. Actually, I have a lighter in my pocket. I'll look this side. Shouldn't take much, just enough to get her started. Started, but I guess I was wrong. It'll take a little bit more than that. My other option is I have some 1/4 inch inside diameter somewhere, and I can always try putting that on. There we go. It doesn't help that the sawmill itself is moving. Okay, so just for you guys, I'll bring you in close. Basically, there's the quick fitting there, the shark bite fitting, and there's the fitting that it slides over top. And because it's just gravity fed, there's no pressure, so ideally it'll go all the way on, but I might have to wait till the spring to do that. I'll probably do that when I shorten up the line. But that's it for replacing the water line that cools the blade and lubricates the blade for my HM122 Woodland Mills Sawmill. If you like my content, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.